What's up guys, back in our video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a working typewriter. So this is very simple, and it's very simple. I'll show you all the code. So for example, let's go put A. I want to type A, so I'm just gonna do this. Actually, I'm gonna make it uppercase. And this is eventually gonna turn to a typewriter, so lay it down. And this is one key. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna color this whatever you want. And make your screen for what it's gonna type. So you're just gonna like grapple it maybe. It's gonna type it, like press or grapple. And this costs no animations, only triggers and code. So like you're gonna press it, that's gonna type. So now I'm just gonna make the little place where it types. So I'm just gonna make this, stretch it out a bit, and make it a glow green. It's gonna type it on here. Let me just make this so it doesn't glitch. So now I'm just gonna set this back here. Add a trigger. And I'm just gonna scale it to fit it. Put hand and grapple. Piece of code up here. Edit connections. Edit connections? Oh wait, no. We need our text. And this is also going to have a working backspace. So I'm just going to do is I'm just going to type a random letter till it fills up the screen. And go to the next line. Okay. I'm going to adjust this to fit on it. So that's the max. Now it's got to clear. So that it goes to the next line. Whatever. Let's do one line. Okay. Now, code, edit connections, this. And then since this is a letter, we're gonna do sign right. So it'll write. Then go to show reference. And then you can do this for anything. And you're gonna look for the letter or number you're gonna type, and then go over. So for A, it's gonna be 97. So I'm gonna put set sign right 97. So now, oh wait, connect here. Now we can type A. Now I'm gonna make the backspace, which is just gonna be an arrow. So let me build an arrow. Dash. And this. Now I'm just gonna do this. Expand out this. Like that. Now I'm just gonna make it so it fits. Group it and put it like this. And now, to make a working backspace, I'll take the code. Yeah, sign. But now, put on select and control because I don't remember which one. Control. So sign control. This, it's gonna set sign control. 2. Wait, what? I should get rid of one. Let's go and narrate. Gonna set it to 0. Maybe that'll work. No, it's typing A. Why is it typing? Oh. So I guess you only need this. Set sign control. So now you have working backspace. And I'm just gonna make this backspace bigger. So it's like a real one. There we go. Bigger backspace. I'm just gonna make what should be for a clear? What should the sign be for a clear? I think maybe one of these. But we just make more of these for clear, like that. And then we group like that. Also, this is a bonus. If you didn't know how to go into groups, like for example, I take out this and it's a group. To go into groups, you take this joystick with the delete and all this. You point it up, click. It says in group. You can change anything on group, like change anything. And then click this button down. How much time do you want in? Yeah, you can change a group without ungrouping. But yeah, 1 second. Restart program. Okay, right. And this program, sign control set 1. So now we should have working clear and backspace clear, all that. Okay, now to make different letters, you're just gonna copy and paste this. Put, like, for example, B, and then from the last one, it's just one more. So this is gonna be 98. To type B. But this is only for, like, if your first one is A and it's like, for example, 97, the next one is gonna be 98 because it's B and it's one more. So you can just repeat the step, put like C, and then just, I'm gonna, since it's one more, I'm just gonna add a number, 99. You can just keep on repeating this till you have a bunch of letters, like, but it does cost a lot of space, so you might not be able to save it. A, B, C, D, D, and this is exactly 100. 100, A, B, C, D, E. E, F, F. So yeah, now we have a working little typewriter, fed, yeah, all of this. We go deleting, clear, and yeah, so you can make a typewriter. So yeah,